Hello, my name is Robert Rajad. I'm a very satisfied customer, and I mean that. I'm not just saying that, or I'm not paid to say that, of Dr. Richardson's. He did a wonderful job on my eye. Let me tell you a little story. I've had glasses probably for the last 8, 9, 10 years, and my optometrist discovered I had high apostolic pressure in my right eye. He suggested that I went to the doctor. Of course, being a guy, I ignored it for a couple of years. It spiked a little higher, and finally I went to my mother's doctor, which happens to be Dr. Richardson, and my mother also, of course, is happy with his services. But long story short, we had laser surgery, brought the pressures down, got a handle on that. I think it's called Argon lapoplasty laser surgery, and it was painless. It was a 5-minute procedure, and my pressures are perfect. Well, I had a secondary problem. My right eye needed a much greater correction than my left, which I believe is called anisometropia. I've learned a lot, as you can see, also through this process. And anyway, with some consultations with Dr. Richardson, he suggested that I probably could use an ocular lens implant, I believe is the term. And I ended up with a Toric lens, which also corrected my, I had a double stigmatism. Long story short, the lens was implanted and everything went well. And 3 months after surgery, you go get your other glasses. 3 or 4 months, I can't remember the exact amount. But anyway, my optometrist, Dr. Grant Paul, has my charge from day one when I started getting glasses. And he looked at the correction I had after Dr. Richardson had done, and he stopped. He paused, and he was baffled. He goes, seriously, he goes, this guy's good. He said it 3 times, this guy's good. He goes, you have almost no stigmatism, we'll call it 0, you're barely nearsighted, and I have almost no correction. He goes, your eye is like perfect and your pressures are perfect. Testimony to Dr. Richardson's skill and education, and I recommend him to anybody. Come here. I was satisfied, and I'm sure you will be. He's professional. He's got the steadiest hands I've ever seen in a human. And when he touches your eye, it's unbelievable. He's a gifted surgeon, and I recommend you come. Robert Rajat, pleased customer.